come on in. Today we're going to make these lovely little coasters. You can make them in a variety of colours and you can make them larger if you want to. I like these little ones. They're perfect for a glass of water or a mug to sit on, and I think they look beautiful. Now I make these in an iron wool, and I also use a 4mm hook. Now that is the size down from what you would normally use. However, I do think it just makes it look that little bit fuller, that little bit tighter, and I think it enhances how they all look. Let me just put those out of the way. So today I'll also be using my crochet hook. There'll be a needle, scissors, and I'm going to use a little stitch marker because we're going to crochet in the round. Now I won't be using a continuous round pattern. We will be crocheting and slip stitching to the start of the next round, but this can just help you to know exactly where you are. Let me put this out of the way. I'm going to be using the grey iron wool today for this, and we start with a magic circle. So put your wool across the front of your hand and the back, across the front again, cross it here at the back. I hold it between my little finger and my ring finger. Take your crochet hook, put it under the first piece, over the second, pull it through, twist it, hook that wool and bring it through that loop just to fasten it off. And that gives you your magic circle. And we work into this. Now, I tend to as well hold the end here around the magic circle so that then it's woven in without me having to do it at the end. Just saves time, which is always nice. Now we start with 2 chains. Now we've done one to secure it, and we'll do one more. So we'll round your hook, pull it through to form your second chain. Going to make another 11 UK trebles, US doubles in this magic circle, and to do that we put our wool round the hook, in through that magic circle, put your wool round your hook, pull it back through, giving you 3 loops on your hook, put the wool round your hook, pull through 2, put the wool round your hook, pull through 2, and I'll show you that again. Wool round your hook, in through that circle, wool round your hook, pull it back through, wool round your hook, pull it through 2, wool round your hook, pull it through 2, and that's our first 2 UK trebles, US doubles. So we need to make another 9 trebles crochets in the magic circle. So wool round your hook, in through, wool round your hook, pull it back, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook in my magic circle, wool round your hook, pull it back through, giving you 3, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, and that's your 4th treble. Now what I'll do is I will meet you back when you have finished the rest of them. You can pause this if you want to and meet me at the end. Now we've done our 11 treble crochets, and what we're going to do is now just pull this on this end to pull it that little bit tighter, and then what we'll do is we will join our circle. So we want to join into the top of the first treble crochet. So that one right there, you can see it on the back here. You can see your V of your stitch, and that's the one we want to join to. So put your hook in through that crochet, stitch there, put your wool round your hook, pull it through that and through your other stitch. So you've done a slip stitch there to join your crochet. Okay, now we're going to do another 2 chain, so 1, 2 chain, and we want to do another treble crochet into hole here at the base. So we'll round your hook in through there, we'll round your hook back through, we'll round your hook, pull through two, we'll round your hook, pull through two. So what we want to do is take our stitch marker and mark that loop right there that we've just made our stitch into. Put our stitch marker in there and fasten it so we know when we come back round that that's where we are working into. So we want to make 2 double crochet in each of these as we go around. So I'll put a second one in there, we'll round your hook in through, we'll round your hook, pull back through, 3 loops, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, and then we're on to our next one. So we'll round your hook in through that stitch, we'll round your hook, pull it back through, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2. We'll do a second one in there, so we'll round your hook, we'll round your hook in through that stitch, we'll round your hook, pull it back through, 3 stitches, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2. So we want to continue like that the whole way around, putting 2 treble crochets into each of these stitches, and we'll do that in each stitch. So that is 1 and 2 in that loop stitch right there, and we will continue doing that the whole way around. I'll meet you back when we get back to here to show you what to do next. So we've done most of our row and we now have 22 stitches on our project, and we have this last stitch here to work into. So we're going to do 2 trebles into it. So we'll round your hook in through that stitch, we'll round your hook, pull it back through, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook in through that stitch, we'll round your hook, pull it back through, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, and that gives us 24 stitches. We will take out our stitch marker and we'll join our work to the top here of this. We'll put our hook in through, put the wool round, pull it through and pull it through to form a slip stitch to the top to join the round. Now to start this, we'll do 2 chain again, so 1, 2, and we're going to form the rest of our pattern for this 3rd round, which consists of 2 trebles in the first loop and a single treble in the next loop, and that's what's going to make up the whole way around. So we're doing 2 trebles, so we'll round your hook in through the hole, we'll round your hook, pull it back through, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook and pull through 2. And what we're going to do here is to add our stitch marker so we know exactly where we need to go. We'll add it to that stitch right there that we've just made so we know where to put our slip stitch at the end. We've done our first treble, we need to do our second treble. So that's our second treble in there. And then we're going to do a single treble in the next stitch. So we'll round your hook in through your hole, we'll round your hook, pull it back through, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2. We're going to repeat that again in the next 2 stitches, so 2 and then 1. So 2 trebles in the next stitch, 1 in the following. We'll round your hook in through that stitch, we'll round your hook, pull it back through, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook in through that stitch, we'll round your hook, pull it back through, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook into the next stitch, pull it back through, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2. So we have the following pattern starting where we have 2 and then 1, 2 and then 1, and then the next 2 stitches we will do exactly the same. So we will make another 2 into this particular stitch, 1 and 2, and then 1 into the next. sorry, and there we go. Now what I will do is I will meet you back around here where we will end up with a total of 36 treble crochets. But just continue doing the same thing, so 2 trebles in the next one and then a single treble, 2 trebles and then a single the whole way around, and I'll meet you back here at the end. So I finished most of the round, leaving 2 stitches at the end here, which forms the part of our pattern. So that's our last 2 stitches where we put 2 into the first and 1 into the second, so 2 trebles. So that's 1 and 2, and then a single treble crochet into the last, which is there, and that gives us 36 stitches the whole way round. Now to join this again, take out your stitch marker and join it to that loop with a slip stitch, put the hook through there, wool round your hook, pull it through and pull it through, forming that slip stitch there. Now the last round is slightly different because what we're trying to do is to form these rounds here to make the nice almost flower-like pattern. So to do that, we will do a single chain, and then we'll do a UK double crochet, US single crochet into that same loop here at the bottom. So put your hook through, pull through the wool, giving you 2 loops, wool round your hook and pull it through 2. And what we'll do is we'll use our stitch marker again, just to mark where that stitch is when we come back around. So we've done our 1 double crochet, or UK terms, single crochet US terms, and we're going to miss the next stitch and then go into the one here. And what we're going to do there is we are going to make 5 treble crochets, UK terminology, 5 double crochets, US terminology, into that one. So wool round your hook, in through that, in through that one where you miss the one next stitch, and go in through the second stitch. So in through there, wool round, pull it back through, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull it through 2. That's 1. Wool round your hook, put it through that loop, wool round your hook, pull it back through, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, into the same stitch, wool round your hook, pull it back through, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, put it in through, wool round your hook, pull it back through, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 trebles. We need to do 1 more in the same stitch. Wool round your hook, in through, wool round your hook, pull it back through, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2. And this forms this nice curve here to make almost like flower-like consistency. And what we will do again is miss the next stitch here and go into the following one and make 1 double crochet, UK terms, 1 single crochet, US terms, into that stitch. So that's simply miss that stitch and into the next. Put your hook through, put the wool round your hook, pull it back through, giving you 2 loops, wool round your hook and pull through 2. And to get to the next one of these, we miss the next stitch and go into this stitch here. So we're skipping that one and going into this one. Wool round your hook and into that stitch, wool round your hook, pull it back through, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook and pull through 2. So that's your first treble into that particular stitch. And what we want to do is make another 4, so 5 again in this particular stitch. So There we go, in through, pull it back through, pull round your hook, pull through 2, pull round your hook, pull through 2, pull round your hook in that same stitch, pull round your hook, pull it back through, pull round your hook, pull through 2, pull round your hook, pull through 2. That's your third treble. Pull round your hook, in through the same stitch, pull round your hook, pull it back through, pull round your hook, pull through 2, pull round your hook, pull through 2. That's your fourth treble. And you need one more, so pull round your hook, in through that same stitch, pull round your hook, pull it back through, pull round your hook, pull through 2, pull round your hook, pull through 2. So what we want to do now is to skip that first loop there and go into the next stitch right here to make our double crochet. So put your hook through, pull it back through, and pull through both those stitches, and then from then on we will just continue to follow the same pattern, so skipping a stitch into the next with 5 treble crochets, skipping the stitch into the next to make your single crochet, skipping the next into the next stitch and making your 5 trebles. So it's as simple as that the whole way round to meet us back here again at the end. So we've completed all of these the whole way around and we're nearly at the end. So we've done our group of 5, skipped a stitch and done our single crochet, and now we're going to skip another stitch and do our 5 into this one. So go round your hook in through that stitch, go round your hook back through, go round your hook, pull through 2, go round your hook, pull through 2. Pull round your hook in through there, pull round your hook, pull through 2, pull round your hook, pull through 2. That's 2. Pull round your hook in through the stitch, pull round your hook, pull back through, pull round your hook, pull through 2, pull round your hook, pull through 2. Pull round your hook in through the stitch, pull round your hook, pull back through, pull round your hook, pull through 2, pull round your hook, pull through 2. That's your fourth one in that stitch, and we need one more. So we'll round your hook in through there, we'll round your hook, 3 loops, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2. Now what we're going to do is have take that out and slip stitch to your first one right here to join them. So roll through and roll through, slip stitching to that stitch. And then what we're going to do is to fasten off. So simply pull that longer, take your scissors and cut your bow, and then pull that end back out. And then what you need to do is obviously just pull your magic circle as tight as you want it and to finish in those ends. And they do make beautiful items to have on a table. And I think that they come out lovely, and you can make them, as I say, in any colour that you want to. Thank you for watching and hope to see you back here very soon.